But let's begin with the DOE sa excise tax. No? So, pirmado na yung batas sa pagsuspindi ng excise tax, and now it is up to the President to actually trigger this or not. May we know if there is a timeline sa pag-trigger ng powers na ito? Meron na ba kayo na pag-usapan?
I have to validate, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, but I know that we already sent the communication whether or not the breach on the $80 was already happened. So yun po, just have to validate. Kasi I think the next step there, I'm assuming that it's the same as the law before. Yung ating DBCC and the economic managers will be the one to recommend upon the submission of the DOE that the trigger was
No, let me clarify with Senator Win, di ba? That was our amendment. We included the $80. We've breached $80 already, no? So that's done. I'm trying to recall, was there a provision on DBCC recommendation?
If I may,
Yes.
Mr. Chair, yes. Sa batas, 30 days kailangan ma-breach yung 80. So, ibig sabihin, kung napirmahan lang kahapon, mag-aantay ng 30 days na na-breach yung 30.
No.
Yung 80.
Mr.
Yeah.
Chair, if I may, I think we clarified in the interpolation
Oo.
that we don't have to wait for the law to begin. If it is an ongoing above 80, we can look backwards, no?
Pero 30 days. So,
I think we've reached
The
30 days ago because we're already at 120, if I'm not mistaken, no? Nasa $120 na ba tayo?
That's why-
Or higher, it's 130. No, it's much higher. Yes, Mr. Ferrer?
We're at 140.
We're at 140. So we've breached 80. Matagal na natin na-breach yung 80. Yung tanong kung 30-day average. But in the interpolation, we clarified that the count doesn't begin when the law is signed. The count is actually, you can count backwards, no?
Yes.
So I would guess we're practically there already.
That's why I'm validating. I think we already triggered it.
Okay. I think we're already there, no? So that's the first
So
trigger.
let me validate it. I think
Okay.
we did, but we have to wait
Sige.
for the official position. of
Okay,
the
so let's assume that we have. I want to clarify, was there a second provision on DBCC recommendation? Can we check nga? Meron, no? Okay, so it's may, upon recommendation of the DBCC, in coordination with the Secretary of Energy, suspend the imposition or reduce excise taxes of fuel when the MOPS reaches or exceeds $80 per barrel for 1 month, immediately preceding the issuance of the suspension or reduction order. So klaro na hindi siya nagsisimula when the law begins. It can go backwards. Pangalawa is kailangan ng recommendation ng DBCC in coordination with the Secretary of Energy or DOE. So, Yusek Wimpy, since Secretary Garin is not here and you're the highest here, ikaw ang tatanungin ko, I'm almost sure we can confirm that 30 days average has been done already. Kung hindi pa, it's just a few more days. Aabot na rin tayo dyan.
Sen Bam, if I may, hindi pwedeng hindi alam. DOE yan eh. Kayo ang timo ng gobyerno eh. Hindi pwedeng hindi alam. Sabihin nyo ngayon. Yung petsa.
That's where I'm getting at,
Yes,
Senator
thank you,
Lauren.
thank you.
So we will confirm kung umabot na tayo ng 30 days. If not, this price is not gonna go down anytime soon. We can predict when the 30 days is up. So napag-uusapan nyo na po ba to trigger the suspension of excise tax sa DOE? Because mukhang sa inyo nagsisimula eh. It's in coordination with the Secretary of Energy. So sa inyo po nagsisimula yan, Yusek Wimpy.
That's correct. That's why I mentioned earlier that we compute. If it breaches that, we already send a communication to the DBCC. What I'm trying to tell the committee is nandun sa yung kasama po ng staff niyo yung si director na mas kabisado kung kailan na-send or kung na-send na nga yung trigger. But I know that we already sent it. I just wanted to validate it.
So, sorry there are two triggers. The first trigger is pag lumampas na sa $80, no?
Yes.
We're finding out kung umabot na tayo sa 30 days average. Okay, mukhang umabot na. The second trigger is Secretary of Energy, DBCC, to recommend to the President to suspend. Have you sent that already? Not yet. Let them answer,
Okay.
Mr. Chair. Have we sent that already?
I'm not, that's why I wanted to validate it.
Okay,
because-
sige. I'll get back to you, Yusek Wimpy.
Yes.
Let's go to my other question.
Thank
So,
you.
unang-una, kami po, nagmadali kami para mapasa yung batas na yan